to show you how to password protect your website pages just like this here. All you need to do is log into SchoolSpider, go to the page that you want to add the password to and just select your additional options. Now, depending on the sort of page that you're adding the password to, you may see that you only have the option to password protect this page with the following password. That's available on your class pages, but on general pages you'll see there's a few different options in which you can password protect them. You've got, this page is Governor password protected, it's PTA password protected, it's Teacher password protected, or you can just create a password for the page. Now, all of these options, the Governor, the PTA and the Teacher, are going to ask those users to input their username and password. This is linked to the staff area. I'll pop a video up on how to create users in the staff area to give them a username and password here. If you do want to just create a general password for a particular page, all you need to do is just type the password in here, scroll down and then press save. That's then going to pop this box up on the page that you've added the password. Users can then just pop the password in, select login, and they'll be able to see the information on that page. You'll see here that if you do tick one of those relevant boxes, it will pop up with this box asking for a username and a password, like I said, all linked in with the staff area.